Hi, Mrs. Brown. Welcome to home ec. While we're doing home ec classes online, I want to choose simple recipes for you that only have a few ingredients. But some of these recipes might be a review to some of you students. If you remember the last time we had class on campus at Legacy, we made corn tortillas with masa, which is corn flour. But today, I'm going to demo how to make flour tortillas made with wheat flour. Flour tortillas are simple to make, and during the quarantine, your family might run out of bread, so flour tortillas can be a nice substitute for bread. So let's talk about tortillas before we start cooking. There are many kinds of tortillas you can buy at the store. They're quick, they're convenient, and I have a bag of tortillas right here. And listen to how many ingredients are listed on this bag of store-bought tortillas. I'm going to do my best to pronounce them correctly for you. So, enriched flour, niacin, iron, thiamine mononitrate, riboflavin, folic acid, vegetable shortening, hydrogenated soybean oils, salt, sugar, baking soda, sodium acid phosphate, distilled monoglycerides, fumaric acid, and calcium propionate, and sorbic acid. That's a lot of ingredients. Those are 18 ingredients in these store-bought tortillas. But the recipe I want you guys to make has only 4 ingredients. That's flour, butter, baking powder, and salt. Okay. We all know what these 4 ingredients are, and we can pronounce them. So you can feed your family during the quarantine and at the same time provide them with a healthy food choice. In this recipe, you will need 2 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 cups of water. So you're going to take the flour and you're going to add the baking powder, add the salt, and you're going to whisk that together. And you're going to add the butter, and then you're going to mix this in. Some water. You're going to add the water until the dough comes together. Lightly flour my surface. I'm going to place the dough on a lightly floured surface and knead it for a few minutes. Just until it's smooth and somewhat elastic. Shape it. This. Man, they're all dirty. You're going to divide it into 12 equal pieces. Pieces. Then you're going to take each piece and you're going to roll it into a ball. I have some chives I picked from my herb garden, and we can add some chives to our tortillas, and I have some cilantro also from my herb garden. So I'm going to chop these and I'll show you how to add them to your tortillas. Don't forget to claw and saw. Now put a little flour on your cutting board. Get your rolling pin out. If you have a tortilla press, you can certainly use your tortilla press. I'm going to roll these out for you. So just roll out your tortillas. Start in the middle, roll out, flip the tortilla, start from the middle and roll out. And they don't have to be perfect. Just like this. And now I'll do one with the cilantro. I'm add a little bit of cilantro. Just fold it in. Make sure I have enough flour on my surface, on my cutting board, on my rolling pin. Just a little bit of oil. So add a little bit of oil. Let the pan get hot. Sprinkle a little salt. Cool. I'm going to add some cheese. There you go. A couple of these. There we go. And then you can use these tortillas to make quesadillas, tacos, burritos, or whatever you want. And they can last for 3 to 4 days in the refrigerator. Then if you want, you can garnish with some extra chives or some extra cilantro. Just like this. So your assignment this week is to make flour tortillas and send me a picture. But I don't just want a picture of your tortilla. I want a picture of you eating your tortilla in the kitchen after you've cleaned up your mess. Because remember, part of cooking is cleaning up your mess. So if you want, you can cut your tortilla into 4s like this, put it on a plate,